Millions of children, women and men have been victims of unimaginable atrocities that deeply shock the conscience of humanity.
To put an end to impunity for the perpetrators of these crimes.
For the sake of present and future generations.
To establish an independent, permanent international criminal court.
The ICC is so important because it's one of the only places in the world where anyone who has committed an atrocity or a crime against humanity can be prosecuted.
They've prosecuted warlords or leaders of armed forces, rebel groups, and this acts as a sign or signal to other armed groups, rebel groups, that the ICC is watching, they will investigate and they will prosecute.
Victims get their day in court. They get to participate in seeking justice.
Even if their own government is the one persecuting them, there is still someone who is willing to stand by them and on their side and help them.
It's a court of last resort, essentially. If the national justice system is unwilling or unable to address the crimes that are committed on its territory, then you go to the ICC.
The court goes past the usual roadblocks that domestic courts would have and prosecutes the most powerful people that are usually responsible for the crimes.
I think sometimes people criticise the ICC because it's doing its job, because it is holding people accountable, and they don't like that.
While you haven't got the certainty of a prosecution, you no longer have the certainty of impunity, and I think that's a really massive step forward.
Perhaps the ICC could have done more, but I'm glad the ICC did not do any less.
I think a stronger ICC is better for the world. The ICC is the best hope that we have.
If I had to describe the ICC in one word, it would be...
Justice.
Accountability.
A deterrent.
In one word, hope.
Hope.
I guess for me, hope, really.